pet crocodile was begging for attention and wanted a cuddle.
Good luck, guys. Good luck, guys. Oh.
Hi. Wanna say hi?
These people couldn't believe that this guy knew how to speak Nigerian.
Yo, boy, Yoruba. Moji American.
American.
Yeah. Chubo mo fe lo si Nigeria.
Yeah, like he's a white boy speaking Yoruba, man.
Hey, die.
So this is pretty crazy. A tornado came through and picked up some cars in a parking lot. I found a YouTuber that put a camera on a toy car and had it travel through their backyard.
Is it the outlet? Is it the outlet? Are we yelling at the outlet? What did you do?
If you take water and pour it into a glass, it will reverse the image of whatever's behind it.
I asked him how he's been.
These university students created a rocking chair that also knits you a hat at the same time.